everyone! Are you ready to play a game? It's called What's in the Box. Inside this mystery box, I have 10 different animals hiding, but they won't come out until you guess who they are. I am going to give you 3 clues for each animal. Ready, set, let's go! First clue, number 1. I am known as the king of the jungle. Okay, clue number 2. It says, I have a lot of hair around my face called a mane. Clue number 3. When I speak, I make a loud roar. What's in the box? A lion. Wow, a huge lion. Clue number 1. I am an animal that is usually green. Clue number 2. I love to hop around and sit on lily pads. Whee, this is so much fun. Clue number 3. I catch flies with my tongue and say ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit. This is fun. I can't wait to see what's in the box. It's a frog. Whoa, this next one is heavy. It barely fits in the box. Clue 1. I am the biggest land animal, and I am the color gray. Clue number 2. I have 2 giant floppy ears. I have a long nose called a trunk that works like a hose. What's in the box? Wow, it's an elephant! A huge elephant! Clue number 1. I have a long body with scaly skin. What could that be? Clue 2. I have no arms and no legs. Can you guess what it is? Slither on the ground and say, shh. Look, it's a snake! Box number 5. I wonder what's inside. Clue number 1. I am an animal that people keep as a pet. Clue 2. I love to chase balls and chew on bones. When I am happy, I wag my tail and bark. It's a dog. Box number 6. Clue 1. I have a long curly tail. 2. I love to swing from tree branches in the jungle. Clue 3. My favorite food is a yellow banana. So, what's in the box? It's a monkey. Box number 7. Clue number 1. I am a very small insect with wings. Clue number 2. I have black and yellow stripes on my body. What could I be? Clue 3. I make delicious honey and I buzz. Let's see what's inside. A bee. It buzzes and makes honey. Box number 8. Clue 1. I am a large animal with black and white spots. Clue number 2. Farmers milk me so you can have milk for your cereal. Clue number 3. I eat grass and say moo. What is in the box? It's a cow. Box number 9. Clue 1. I am a bird, but I do not fly. Next, clue 2. I live where it is very snowy and icy. Clue 3. I waddle when I walk, and I slide on my belly. I waddle when I walk, and I slide on my belly. So what's in the box? It's a penguin. Last box. Let's make it a good one. Clue 1. I have soft feathers and 2 webbed feet. Clue 2. I like to float on top of the water in a pond. Last clue. I have a bright orange beak and say quack, 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 quack. Wow, a duck. You're so cute. Thanks for playing with me. You're awesome. See you next time. Wow.
Curious and cozy, please subscribe.